TurbotoyzRUs.
Today, I'm going to do some upgrades to the AE86 2RZ Turbo. And today, I want you to check out these parts from Technotoytuning, guys. T3. Alright.
86.
Box number 1. These are brand new Tokico HTS Coilovers, guys, for the rear. Alright. Yes. This is their top of the line Tokico HTS. Alright guys, can't wait to get these guys in. Okay, that's box number 1. Box number 2. We got some arms here. All this gold stuff. Go. Hardware. Bunch of stuff here, guys. I want to give a shout out to Kevin out of T3 and Antonio. Thanks for the good service, guys. Let's get into putting these beautiful things on that beautiful thing. All right. Let's go. This here, guys, is my OEM Kooky GTS rear end. Corolla GTS AE86. Alright, that's the LSD. Got the discs. And these are the old stuff that have been on there forever. Bought it with these things. Old shocks, old springs, old arms. I changed the brakes. I changed the steel girded lines from T3. All right. And today we're gonna do some upgrades. All right. Mix it up.
Good job, Daddy. Now this out of the way. He's trying to get it to move.
Alright guys, so now we're just unpacking the rest of the support bars. Just doing a comparison, see which goes with which. Alright. That's the 4-link bolts, nothing bolt. Alright, so now we're getting everything adjusted so it can fit the right length. No, stop like that. Spiral is laced in there, but it wasn't put properly. There you go. Alright, so we're getting ready to install the coilovers. So one nut, guys, goes on the top here, alright, and then the other one comes out. So this one here locks. Take this part off. This part's gonna go on the inside. This part is gonna go over there. I'm removing the factory spring. So you don't need that no more. Nope. Don't need this anymore.
Chris made this shit here.
Yeah.
All the assembly right there.
Mm-hmm.
Duck this stuff up just a little bit. Nice and slow. Right there.
show you one side being done already with the 4 links and the Technotoytuning HTS Coilover. Slip springs. Upper bar, upper 4 link. Alright, I only did one side first, and that's how you're supposed to do it. You leave one side for reference. Okay, so if you forget what you did on the first side you pull down, and you reference it to the other side that you haven't touched yet. Right? So this is how you're supposed to do it. Alright guys? It's working smart. Work smart, not hard. Alright guys. On the coilover, T3 coilover, the urethane bushings can be a little bit tough at times, so just use a 4-inch C-clamp, and I use a flat surface. Right now I'm just using my adjustable wrench here to get a flat surface with it closed. That way I don't pinch the urethane bushing. There we go. Goes on.
Chris made this shit here.
Put it on, guys. Good thing is, at least you took it for a spin earlier today, so you felt the difference. Alright guys, so we just finished the installation on the 4 links kit from T3, as well as the coilovers.
Yeah.
So we got the coilovers fully installed. This one, as well as the 4 links.
Like testing it for a test drive. That's what I thought.
Yeah, we should definitely take it for a test drive, just to see how this bad boy work out. Number 4, which is right there. To tighten the top off the rear suspension, T3 full true rear coilover with Swift springs, HTS, you're gonna need a 5/16. If you zoom in close, you'll see there are 2 flat spots on the top of the shaft here. 5/16 is the wrench that you need to hold the top right here while you are able to tighten your nut, right? 17mm tightens the nut. You're gonna tighten it not to crush the urethane bushing too much, just nice and snug on top of it. And when you're done tightening up this bottom 17 nut, don't forget the top locking one, because you're gonna need that to prevent this bottom one from ever backing off. Adjust your dampening on the coilover. The coilover comes with an Allen key that goes down inside this hole here on top. You send it down inside the hole. When you feel it lock, you can turn it to full hard or full soft. So massive upgrade done to my 86 as far as the way it handles suspension. All right, thank you, T3.
Chris made this shit here.
TurbotoyzRUs.
TurbotoyzRUs.